Hey everyone, how's it going? So with all the new fun dinosaurs coming out from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw one of the plant-eating dinosaurs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to draw the Titanosaurus. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Titanosaurus, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making like a little dot for the eye. Then I'm going to make a little line above it and a couple little lines underneath it. Right here, let's bring this line, make like a bump, and then we're just going to leave some space and kind of come down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and then kind of bring it down in a bump. We'll come down and then we'll bring this across for the mouth. Next, I'm going to go down and in. Then we're going to go down and we'll come over. Then we'll bring this line down, up and around for like the jaw. And then kind of connect it to here. Then we'll make a little dot for the nose and kind of make like a line around it. Make a little line right around here for the mouth. And we'll make another line around the eye and a few little lines by the nose. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, and I'm going to leave a little space as I kind of curve it around. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of come down and then in. And then we're going to bring this little kind of broken line down to here. We'll kind of connect it. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and we'll make some like little bumps to kind of connect. And then I'm going to bring this line down to about here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to about here. And then we're going to make another kind of broken line up here. We can put some more lines kind of coming up. Next, starting here, I'm going to kind of come up and then down. I'm going to bring this line over. Then we'll kind of come up and down to here. Now for this leg, bring this down and in just a little bit, where the leg's going to bend, and we'll do that same thing, just kind of come down. Make a little point for the toe, and then make another one here. I'm going to put one more back here. We'll go over and then bring this up. Then we're going to bring this around and kind of in. We'll kind of bring this line down. For the stomach, we'll bring this line down and up with a curve. And then for the back leg, we're going to bring this line to here. Then we'll make the foot just how we did the first one. Come out to a point, and then make another one. We'll just make two toes over here. We'll bring this over and then up. Next, I'm going to bring this line in, and I'll actually kind of bring this line in a little bit more in a second one, just show some wrinkles. Then we'll bring this up for the back leg. I'll make another little line, it's just going to kind of come down here to show that the other leg is behind there. And then I'm going to make a line that comes down, and a line that's going to come down here and kind of up, and then we'll curve this up to here to make it look like it's kind of walking. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and around, and I'll bring this line up to about here. Now, the Titanosaurus in the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie has that really long tail. So we're just going to kind of bring this line up and around to about here. And I'm just going to bring this line out and get it really, really thin as it comes out to here. Now, I'm going to add some details in here. I'm going to make some lines around the face, and then a couple little lines around here. And then it's got this kind of like little small like fin back here. So we're going to make some kind of pointed little lines that just kind of come around and down. And then we're going to make these little points right around here. There's also going to be one back here. We're going to make some points that just kind of come up, and then they're going to gradually go down. And then we're going to make these lines come up and down. Then I'm going to make some little curved lines right across the toes. And then some extra little lines on here. I'm going to make a little line here, and then we're going to make some little lines that kind of come down just to kind of show some detail on the neck. And we're going to do that same thing here. These little lines just kind of help show where the neck kind of moves. We're going to make some little lines kind of coming across here. And we're going to make some little lines right around here as well. We're going to make some little lines here, and then a line coming across here. And we're just making some lines that go right across here. And just kind of making that texture and detail. And just kind of putting lines all over just to kind of give it that realistic look. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Titanosaurus from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.